Hey guys, good morning! Grabe, sinisipon ako today, grabe. At bagyo, signal number 2. Tas ay
so yung carbonara kinain natin.
anong laman ng ice cream brulee natin?
Ano na po sa circle? 10? Parang malamig. So taste of 10.
Taste of honey.
Coffee and
ano na pala? Ice caramel macchiato. Regular.
Nasa vlog na niya siya.
We're now at my cafe. Joke. Last time di matagal na yung Cafe France ko. Tapos nag-crave. Second to arrive, seafood linguine soup. Pero nauna yung salad. Sarap. Yummy. Yes, carrot cake.
Lalagyan ko ng ano.
Ang cute ng cream puffs.
Order, mama.
Now here at SB, I ordered peppermint mocha. Mother. Usually caramel macchiato. Ito naman din. Buko yun. Sarap, grabe. Ito talaga yung pinakamasarap sa Christmas season. Peppermint. Back at it again. Boundless happiness. Yummy. Best part, chicken skin. Ang ganda ng shoe. It caught my eye. But it's 9K. May variation pala to. Letter K. And simple at the left. Mas smooth yung simple. Ito para may texture. Yes, transaction successful. Okay guys, nag-crave ulit sa kakanin. Ending, konti na rin yung stock. Guys, pero at least nakapili tayo ng 3 flavors. Yan. Yummy. Yaan mo na. Grabe yung Power Mac. Walang tao. Eh, karililis lang ng iPhone 16. Nandito eh. Ganda ng 15. 16. Sabi ko tuloy 15. O kasi 15. 18 yun. Ganda. 16 Pro Max. Ganda sa pills ko. Winner. Good. Mura mo makaplay ko sa kamay ko. Hey guys, we're at Globe. Pa-plan po ang ating madam. Yes. Avail po siya na 16 Pro Max. 1.5 per month. Meanwhile at Yaw Yaw, Grabe naman yung one topping, 10. Meanwhile, we're at SM. Yummy! Oh, taray ni Julie, oh. Fuck! Hey! Hey guys, update. Nasa grocery naman kami. First stop, itong ating biscuit cravings. Kuha ni Darius. Ang sarap. Nasarapan ako. Best part, ang laki ng chicken skin. Punong-puno pa ng cheese. Love it. Hey guys, update. Nasa Starbucks kami. Tingnan nyo ng panahon, napakainit. At least it's a good weather. We ordered pumpkin spice latte, hot chocolate, and cinnamon Danish. Yes.
Pink and red.
Yummy. Gosh, ang dilim. Sana nakita nyo kami. Pero, we're here again at Laguna and we booked another Airbnb. 3 floors. Room tour natin later. Di namin in-expect may pa-cater si Darius. Love it! Actually, dapat parking pero naging cater. Cater spot. Tapos party area. Saan narinig nyo kami? Tapos pool. You have CR. CR is fine. May shower na rin. Complete. We're at the second floor part and 2 rooms lang yung ating in-avail dito sa floor na to. Kasi kasya na kami dito. And there's the room, double deck din, just like last time. Very spacious. May aircon na din. For the CR, ganun din. Same setup. Shower, urinal, wash area. For the towels, tas meron din hangiran dito for clothes. And then, outfit of the day. Binili ko to sa Terra Nova. Grabe, tagal ko rin hindi sinuot. Terra Nova Hacienda sa Tagaytay. Very winter yung design and style. And here's our view. Second floor point of view. Grabe. Walang mountain. Meanwhile, may nag-ahay sa baba. Grabe, may mga tuk pa sa ano doon. Establishments. Ano kaya yun? And Third floor. Billiards. Interesting. Very safe. Wow. Kita yung neighborhood. Like, what are they doing? Dami nila, ha? Time check, it's 11 PM. Or 11:20 na ata. Chill lang ako dito sa room. Malamig kasi aircon. Pero later mag-swimming na rin ako.
Is there something after there's nothing to say? We're just moving in circles, but we're losing our shape.
Hey guys, morning. Just woke up. Ano ba oras na? It's around 10 and grabe morning face. Okay, ating aftermath. Grabe. Breakfast na. Grabe, swimming agad ang mga kids. Outfit of the day. Yung kumot ginawa ko ng scarf. And sweater from Zara. Very chill kasi kapag morning, tamang sweater weather. Yes. Yummy! Ang breakfast. Yeah. Can't wait. Meantime, sinigang muna tayo bago ang ating paksiw.
There's nothing, feels like I'm not doing this right. Like a star that slowly disappears in the night. Oh, where did all the good things go?
Okay, we're back. Yun ulit order, pero yung coffee is toffee nut and caramel macchiato. Kalaki lang, hindi lang nalinis yung plate. Yummy! Sarap. Sarap mo. Sana lagi pasko. Lambot.
Parang may makadaan.
Alam ko ng daan. Ang ating favorite. Yummy. We're done for today. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.